Dumind Article, sorry, as also involved in that, and he seems to be okay. As news from the other first 15 game today at Mount Lavinia, it seems to be a cliffhanger there. St. Thomas's leading 26 points to 17, and a good game there as well. Evenly contested. Trinity taking on St. Thomas's in that encounter, and 26 points to 17 there at Mount Lavinia as play resumes here once again at Bambalapitiya. St. Peter's, the wing three-quarter, looking for space. Inside the Royal 22. Royal still with 14 men. Adil Jabbar in the sin bin. Peters work it once again. Fernando. Long pass to the wing three-quarter. And cuts back in. Pass Shan Patirana. Pass now. Naren Dasan once again making the cover defense tackle there and work it. And the wing three-quarter, St. Peter's, brought down there by his opposite number, Shamil Ahmed. Penalty to St. Peter's here, as the Royal line offside is the call by the referee, and they definitely look to capitalize here and get a try here in this position. Here we go, they take it quickly. Little loop there, number 9 for the line, inches away here, St. Peter's College, as Royal have it. Hamza Hassan clearing, and scrum. A referee has awarded to a scrum to St. Peter's College here, even though Hamza Hassan had the ball and kicked it. The Royal skipper Narendra Hassan I think asking the referee what exactly was the call there, as St. Peter's have a scrum inches away from the Royal line, and the number 8 must be licking his lips here, as 5 meters away from the scrum, from the try line. He would definitely want to score from here and get Peters on the scoreboard once again, as 20 points plays 3 here. And he breaks, and Shan Patirana making the tackle. The number 10 tries to run in, meets Naren Dasan. Pick and go by Shenal Das, the giant for St. Peter's, and penalty. St. Peter's take it quickly. Offloads, Hooker takes it in, met by a big wall of defense there. And Shan Patirana not retreating the 10 meters, and another yellow card there to Royal. 13 men now. Shan Patirana not retreating in the 10 meters there, and it's 13 men play 15 here, as once again St. Peter's take it quickly. Men out wide, work it wide, they've got numbers, and the wing three-quarter seems to have stripped on his own man there and been brought down, and it's a Royal ball. Penalty. Holding on is the call, so minus 2 men. Royal still get out of jail there, as St. Peter's definitely would be very disappointed with that, as 20 points plays 3 here at Bambalapitiya. Once again, first points on the board, Mushin Falil with a penalty, then Narendra Hassan with that lovely try. Hamza Hassan breaking off a scrum, feeding it to Naren, and Naren going through for a lovely 40-meter run to touchdown under the post. Then it was Hastike Bandaranayake who scored, and after that it was Hamza Hassan with a lovely inside pass by Naren Dasan once again. Hamza Hassan having the legs to get to the line as Royal, and Mushin Falil adding a penalty as well, and that was the Royal 20, 1 goal, 1 penalty and 2 tries against a solitary penalty from St. Peter's College. Dying stages here at St. Peter's College grounds today, as Royal definitely in the driver's seat. About 15 minutes to go, as change coming on there for Royal, and it's Shabir Mohammed who's given way for Shailendra Chandrasekhara, who's come on to fullback. two players in the sin bin for Royal College. As another change happening as well, it's Nabil Jalaluddin who's come on for Hastika Bandaranaike, who's had a very good game this evening. St. Peter's come. And Adil Jabbar, who's had his 10 minutes in the bin, coming out there, joining Royal as 14 men now on the field for Royal. They were playing with 13 for a couple of minutes, as now Adil Jabbar back on the field and has come into the hooker position. Free kick for St. Peter's, taken quickly. Shenar Das with the ball, works it. Fernando the fly half. And they have numbers out wide. The wing three-quarter opting to run across field here. And running right across here, no one getting him, but finally Shenar Das, the giant for St. Peter's, unleashes the wing three-quarter, and the wing three-quarter bundled into touch there as attacking move there by St. Peter's College. As on camera we see a Royalist injured. It seems to be Ranga Pereira who's down, or no. Hey, who is that? Who is that? No. Is it Hamza? And it seems to be Hamza Hassan, the man on the ground at the moment, as the medical staff on the ground, as Chamar Dabare also has been replaced, as Royal seem to be making full use of the bench here, as Nabil Faiza has come onto the ground. So the Royal backline now, Akil Satuk, Naren Dasan in the fly-half, Mushin Falil, Duminda Atigala, Shamil Ahmed, Shailendra Chandrasekhara in fullback, and Nabil Faiza. And in fact the man on the ground is Ashen Disanaika. It isn't Hamza Hassan. So as play resumes once again here. Dasan clears downfield, open spaces on the open side as Shailendra gives chase here. And St. Peter's opting for the running option. Shailendra Chandrasekhara gets him down. As once again up and tackle, good stuff there by Shailendra Chandrasekhara there. Two big tackles as St. Peter's been driven back almost into their 22 here. St. Peter's using the short side, and Fernando, but lovely tackle coming in there from Kalan Amar Singh. Good work by him, but good work here, booted along as St. Peter's on the line. And here we go, Royal ball once again, turned it over.